Here's a pair of Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Sony TV. This is a Sony TV with Google TV, okay? So the first thing we got to do is put these into pairing mode, okay? Now if you look on the back of the case here, you have a button there, okay? So first thing is make sure both your earbuds are in. And then for it to indicate it's in pairing mode, you should get a blue blinking light, okay? So I have no blue blinking light here. So let's put these in the pairing mode. So here's the button here. I'm going to press and hold for a couple seconds or until I see the light turn blue here. Okay, so here's the button here. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Okay, it just turned blue. Now I'm going to let go. Now it's blinking blue, indicating it's in pairing mode. Now we got to go to our Sony TV, and you want to go directly to settings. On this model TV here on this remote, I have a settings button here. If you don't have one on your remote, you can navigate directly from the TV, okay? So let's just go click on home button. So once you're here on the home page, you can go to the settings, the top right hand side, the gear icon, settings icon. So let me go ahead and navigate there. I'm gonna move over to the right, keep over moving to the right again, and then I get to here, and now I simply have to just move over to the gear icon right there, and I'm gonna click on OK. Now from here, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. I'm going to go down to remotes and accessories right there. Now I'm going to move over to the right. Now make sure that Bluetooth is turned on, and then go down to pair accessory, and then go ahead and click on pair accessory. And as soon as you do that, it should be searching for devices that are in pairing mode that's within Bluetooth range. These are still in pairing mode. Right here, still blinking blue. And then give it a second. Okay, it's already showed up there. Bose QC Ultra earbuds. Make sure it's highlighted. Go ahead and click on OK on the remote. It says pairing. Give it 1 second here to connect. Okay, I get a pairing request here. I'm going to click on pair. And it says pair now. And you can see these, the Bose QC Ultras right there. So now I can go ahead and put these on, and I can watch Netflix or YouTube or whatnot, and the audio will come out of here. Now if you guys had issues where you couldn't put it into pairing mode, or you had issues connecting or whatnot to the TV, you can always factory reset these as well. If you want to know how to factory reset these, look in the link below in the description. Okay, anyway, there you guys go.